Hello, it's Thibault from the Seanapps team. Quick video to show you how you can easily access to your owner manuals in the Seanapps mobile app. If you have bought from the Beneteau group, you have automatically the owner manual that is available in the app. So I'm going to show you right now how to access it. When you're on the main page, you want to click on More, up. You can see manuals, so I click on this. I'm going to click on User Manual, and here I have the owner manual for my Geno 60. So I have 300 pages of information available on this app, so it's great when I don't know where I put my book. This is just an example of what you can see, but you can also have some manuals from a manufacturer. So here we have the Arkenwich manual. And yes, that's how simply you can access to your manual now from the Seanapps app.